Good morning, y'all. It's your girl Nisha. I'm actually just getting ready to go on the road. I'm so tired, but I need to start my day early, so I'm like, you know what? I need to get up. So I'm vlogging. I guess I'm vlogging. So if you follow me on my Snapchat, you will know that I started a GoFundMe account because I am doing a little fundraising for my back to school fun day for the kids in my community in Jamaica. And I just want to give you guys a quick update on how it's going. It's going great. It's only day 2. I guess I can call it day 2 now. And the love and support that I'm getting is amazing. I'm so excited. My campaign is actually trending. So I just want to show you guys. So I officially hit about 53% of my set goal today, and I'm so excited. I woke up this morning and there's a little message that they send to your phone. I was like, oh my god. So this is day 2 and this is how much I've raised so far, and obviously this couldn't have been done without you guys, so shout out to you guys for supporting me thus far. I'm super excited, and I also got some stuff from my dad and his friend, so I'll show you guys what I have so far. So I literally woke up with a goal, and after months and months of hesitating and finding excuses, I finally went with it. I just got up and said, I need to do this, and I'm doing it. So far I got some books, got some pencils, pens, ruler, erasers, some sharpeners, and this is what I have so far. So of course there's still a lot more stuff that I need to get, but this is just the beginning, and I'm super excited, and I can't wait to continue on this journey to show you guys what is gonna happen. So I'm here with one of my subscribers, Rosa. She's been my friend for like how many months now?
I know, finally meeting.
Right?
After so long.
And we live in the damn same city. But she came and dropped off some stuff. I'm so excited. And she snapped. She literally snapped. Like okay, no. Oh my god, I'm so excited. Shout out to you.
Yes. Kids, man.
And we're gonna make this an annual thing, and she's gonna be joining us next year for sure, so look out for her. Hey guys, so just a quick update. A week has officially passed since, whoa, my background is so, my room is so messy, guys, because I'm stuck between packing my clothes and organizing my laundry and packing the stuff that needs to go down. But I just want to give you guys a quick update on the stuff that we've gotten so far. My forehead looks so shiny right now. I don't know what's going on. But anyways, Keisha's actually here with me trying to organize to see what we have. So far we have 266 books in total. We have 4 backpacks, 556 pencils, 17 rulers, we have 54 sharpeners, we have 129 erasers, we have 10 activity books, and we got 24 small of pack of crayons. We have 2 big box of crayons. We have a couple pens. And we have 3 pencil cases, and we have 7 packs of pencil crayons. And right now we're just trying to, well, Keisha leaves Tuesday, and I also leave Tuesday as well. I was supposed to leave Sunday, but I changed my ticket to Tuesday. And we're just trying to organize everything right now because the books are so heavy. Yeah, that's the main thing we're worried about right now is the books, because they're really heavy, and we're just trying to figure out space because I'm gonna have to walk with 2 suitcases and Keisha's walking with 1 because she's only going for a week. But we're just trying to fit everything in. A whole bunch of books right here. These are all the erasers. They're all in packs, but we're gonna separate them. A whole bunch of sharpeners, more erasers. These erasers are so freaking cool. They're so big. Like, I actually love them. They're so cool. But we're gonna give these away. Then we have some activity books for the little ones that are not in school yet, but they can still get an opportunity of like getting something. We have a couple of rulers, packs of rulers, crayons, and packs of pens. I was told that Jamaican kids in primary and basic school, they don't really use a lot of pens, so I tried to get more pencils. So we got a couple pens, pencil crayons, 3 pencil cases that are going with a giveaway. So 4 to 5 kids are going to be getting opportunity of winning a knapsack that will have like stuff filling them differently. So we got John Sport, little minion bag, Frozen, a little string bags right there too. And then we got more books. We got some folders, books. And then we have all these pencils right here. And then we got books, more books. It's okay. Slowly trying to organize ourselves. Shout out to my little sister. She's sick, but... but yeah, I'm so excited. Woo. Shout out to you guys, you know, those of you who contributed. Whether it was money or donated by just dropping off some stuff. I cannot freaking wait. This is going to be so exciting.
Making it a movement.
Keisha, what's the movement called?
For the youth, damn.
For the what? She's so camera shy. But yeah, guys. Look at this. Hey guys, what is going on? Today is Sunday. I am on the road. Today's Sunday. I'm going to go finish my hair because if you guys can see, I have braids in my hair right now, but I'm actually doing the faux locks. So I'm about to go to my girl's house, Mo, and she's going to finish my hair. And then tomorrow's Monday. I'm slowly packing and I'm already stressed out because the books weigh so freaking much. Like, oh my god, the books are so heavy, so I'm really trying to figure everything out. The good thing is my sister also leaves Tuesday and her friends are coming down Friday. So if everything doesn't fit, I'm gonna try my best to give them some stuff so they can carry it down for me, because right now I'm so stressed out. Like right now I gotta carry 2 suitcases. Like that's a for sure thing. That's no and ifs or but. My sister, I don't want her to have any problems when she gets to the airport, so I'm kind of hesitating of giving her 2 suitcases because she's only staying for a week, and I know they're gonna be like, why do you have 2 suitcases if you're only staying for a week? So I'm just really annoyed right now, but I'm on my way to pick up Shauna Banana because I'm dropping her somewhere real quick. Then I'm gonna go do my hair and then go back home and finish packing. Got some laundry and stuff to do too. Guys, I am so freaking nervous. I always say this. One, I'm nervous because I'm gonna see Ziggy. I always get butterflies in my stomach. I don't know why. Like, it's so weird. We've been together for so long. Like, the fact that I still get that feeling is just so crazy. And I'm gonna see my mommy. Yes, I'm grown and still call her my mommy. I'm so excited. A little break. Tired. I'm so exhausted. Like, I've been getting no sleep. No freaking sleep. And Nacho Nisi is also in Jamaica, so hopefully we get to link up. Hopefully we're trying to, but I go down Tuesday. I think she should still be down there, so we'll see what happens. Currently driving right now, so I'll tune in later and show y'all what I'm doing later, guys. So I'm here with my friend Mo. We're here talking about the Bible and talking about God and just getting closer to God. But you know, I thought this would be a great time to vlog because a lot of us struggle out there when it comes to connecting with God.
Yes.
So we're just talking about life, you know, because we're going through our own struggles and we feel like this is the best time, which we're not only because we're going through our struggle, but you should always include God into your life, whether it's the good or the bad.
Yeah.
So we're just here talking about that, man. And it's hard sometimes trying to do it alone. That's the thing. It's so discouraging when you're trying to get close to God because the devil tempts you.
He's a liar.
Yeah.
He's a liar.
So when you have people that's kind of like in the same boat with you and want to go on that same path, it makes it easier, man.
A lot easier.
Yeah. But guys, this is Mo. I don't know if you guys remember her from like some of my other vlogs. Wait, did they see you? Yeah, my birthday vlog. She was in there. And you guys are telling me that I need to vlog more when I'm in Canada. So.
And I think when you were doing the furniture when Shauna was looking
when Shauna was looking for her freaking bed
yeah
after 10 times. But yeah, this is Momo, one of my good friends. Don't get camera shy, you can talk.
I'm not.
Oh, this is the one that does my hair, guys. Mo.
Oh
yes, she's the one that does. She's the one who does my hair. So if you're in Toronto and you want your hair did,
hit me up.
Hit her up. Her Instagram is
Dainty _1.
Yeah, Mo2Dainty_1. The number 2. I'll obviously link it down below. But we're stuck in traffic right now.
Stupid traffic.
Always traffic.
And it's Sunday. Like, shouldn't everyone be home cooking dinner and getting ready for work?
That's what I'm saying. Everyone's on the road. Like, get out the way.
Get out the way. We have stuff to do.
Right?
Okay, so we had plans to start at 1 o'clock.
1 o'clock. Wow. And it's now 5:32.
And we still haven't started.
Oh my gosh.
We're going to be doing hair all night.
Seriously.
And we have plans to cook dinner.
That too. Oh my gosh.
So we'll be doing hair all night. I hope you're ready, right?
Yeah, I know. It's gonna take so long.
My poor
Guys, my hair's braided right now. She braided my hair so quick, but then now we gotta go in and wrap each braid. Like, do you guys understand how long did it take us to braid?
No, that was quick.
Yeah.
I think it took me like 3 hours to do
3
those single
hours.
braids.
And they're not even that big. They're kind of pretty small to me, you know?
Yeah.
And now we gotta go in and wrap.
I think that was the fastest I've ever single braided anyone's hair. That was really quick.
It's probably because we were like talking and watching Power. The girl put me on Power. Even though I jumped for... What season was it?
She's not even on Power, guys.
I don't know.
Like, she needs to get on the Power tip.
I'm trying, yo. I don't know.
Somebody
what it is.
tell Nisha that she needs to be on Power. I'm gonna make her watch season 1 tonight.
Oh my gosh.
And then
she's
she's
gonna watch from season 1?
I will, because it's that good.
Oh my gosh.
I'll rewatch it.
I've seen some
Just to help her out.
I've seen some episodes. I don't know. I just need to actually sit and watch to catch up. Because the other night when I was watching those episodes with you, I was like, dang, like,
It's good.
Interesting, yeah.
What was the other show? What's that other one with what is it called?
Oh, Star.
Not Star, the one before that with what's his name? Oh, what's that? And everybody was watching it. And they sing with what's the girl's name? Taraji P.
Wow, it's on top of my tongue. Wow. Oh my god, what is it called?
I'm so mad that I don't remember.
Not Power, yo.
But that one sucks compared to Power.
You think so?
Yes.
Because it was too dragging. There's some shows that are just too dragging.
And extra with all the...
Bro, what is it called? Yeah, what is the freaking show called though?
Dancing? No. Dancing with the Stars? No.
No.
Wow,
I actually forgot what it's called. That's so bad. Because that show was like the it before Power.
yeah, like they came out at the same time, but I hated that show.
Oh my god, no, we gotta Google this because I can't. It's bothering me.
It's really bothering me now. Pop Stars?
Yeah, what is it called? And
Taraji P. Cookie.
Yes, by the time that you guys are watching this vlog, everyone's basically saying the name right now.
I know, and then we're like, I
What
hate
is the
that.
show called?
All I know, Taraji P, Cookie, and that's it. I can't remember the rest.
Oh my gosh, Lionel, right?
Lionel.
What's your? Oh my god, what is the show called? Can you Google it? It's actually
I'm
bothering
pissed. Like,
me.
I can't remember this. Look at us too. We're trying to remember. And we can't even remember.
Wow, this is actually really bothering me.
These donuts that Nisha put me onto.
The mini donuts.
Mini donuts from the flea market. Yeah.
Pickering Flea Market to be exact. They're so good. They're so fluffy
so
and
good.
fresh. No, what's
They're
the show
addictive.
called? I keep thinking Power. It's not
And
Power.
I just want to keep saying Stars.
It's not Stars. Okay, when we get it, we're gonna get it.
We're gonna get it.
We're gonna get it. Let's go.
Because we're gonna cook
We're about
dinner.
to cook some thin mackerel. Dirty gal food, right?
I'm so hungry. Oh my god. And I had breakfast, you know.
I didn't even have breakfast. Y'all have
I had pancakes, bacon, hash browns,
Wow, living that life, eh?
and ham.
Dang,
And a mango lemonade.
look at you.
And a cup of tea.
Not even, I'm not.
And look at me, I'm hungry.
I have liquid vitamin water.
And I had a vitamin water.
Wet up my mouth.
And that's that's it, but I'm
What
hungry.
is the show called?
I want to Google it.
Can you Google it, please? Because it's bothering me, Monique. It's literally bothering me. It's on the tip of my tongue and I can't even.
I just wish someone could like magically see that we're vlogging and then just be like,
See it?
or they have like to talk. Come, what is it?
So guys, I'm finally doing my putting my dreads in. We're wrapping it. These are the ones that are, well, minus these ones. The ones that are already done. 2 people. Shout out to Tish and Mo. Whoa. They're gonna look at you and be like, whoa, what a difference.
And the post that picture I just posted, dead.
Right?
They're gonna be like, no, that's not the same girl.
Oh my gosh.
That is not the same girl.
It's been officially it has been an hour since they've been wrapping it. So there, she's pushing the hair through, like crocheted in, and then she just wraps it.
Watch them think that, oh my gosh, our hair's done in 3 hours. Mine could do the same. No. It's a 2-part process we did.
Right?
You
Yeah.
braided first.
We braided first. We braided this first. This took 2 hours? 2-3 hours?
Yeah.
And then now we're doing this, and it's been an hour so far. Oh my gosh, guys, we're leaving tomorrow. We just got our nails did. Just got our nails done. We got our nails did. And then we're about to go home and pack.